Floyd.
Sunday Salvacion to the basket, Neely. Oh, 3-point shot. Oh, I don't know about that. At eto na po mga kaibigan, Outlast. 2 minutes ang start agad sa Outlast maintenance-free battery. Outlast. Roger Yap sees the opening. And rebound to Tubid. Tubid, sumasagit-sit. Bumaharot at inagawan ni Peter John Simon. At dito po sa bandang dulo, mukhang itong Pure Foods has been able to save off Barangay Ginebra. Medyo nag-aapura din kasi itong Barangay Ginebra, lalo ng import nila. Nako! Okay, wala. James Jeff, this is that one. Ito si Rod Neely. Rod Neely steps on the gas and he draws the foul from Roger Yup.
Holy Roger Yup. That's the personal on Roger Yup.
Panglima na rin yan on Roger Yup. Maya Pabengi po kay kayo sa ating mga kaibigan dyan sa Pampanga at sa Tawag. Ito, napaka-importanteng free throws para sa Barangay. Sayang na sayang. Margaret Big Man, ay si Marking Chandler. Ang Big Man ay akatid sa inyo ng Star Margarine. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, Bida ang matangkad. A minute and 14 to go here in the fourth and final period. At sinasabi nga po natin medyo humabol po itong Barangay Ginebra. They got it down to 4. Pero itong Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants so far have been able to keep their wits about them. At with 1 minute and 14 seconds naman ang Pure Foods ng 7. At makailang ulit nilang hindi pinayagan na lumupit pa sa mas higit sa 4 na puntos o mas maliit sa 4 na puntos itong Barangay Ginebra.
But yung local scoring ng Pure Foods has really been a last game nga, no? Naka 40 points si Chandler, yet natalo pa ang Pure Foods by 1 to Santa Lucia. And in the first meeting between these two teams, tag 41 points si Chandler, talo pa ang Pure Foods by 10 to Barangay Ginebra. But in this game, iba.
Well,
Chandler only 2 points sa quarter na to, ha?
Oh, si James Yap, Peter June Simon, Roger Yap, they've contributed. Para hindi po mahadlangan o para mahadlangan itong Barangay Ginebra in their comeback in this game.
At all game long, napag-usapan natin yung triple lineup ng Pure Foods at kanina lamang nakita natin again one of the walking wounded ng Pure Foods, si June Lingcon at the sideline.
Kung maging laging handa, mag-direct link car insurance na kayo up to 40% savings na. Tulugan pa. Call 887-2588. Simpleng kausap. Okay. At 30 seconds timeout is called. 1 minute and 12 seconds to go in the game. So kaibigan natin si Bruce McTavish nanonood pa sa mga joke-joke pa yung magaling na referee sa boxing. Bruce McTavish. 111-103 is our score. Ang Pure Foods po ay nakaramang ng 8 with 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining. Okay, we'll take a short break. Go back to ABC 5. Ng Barangay Ginebra at the Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants. Ed Pixon po naman kasama si Ganito Hanson. At Dominic Uy, Marca Vargas at an entire staff and compliments of ABC 5 para sa PBA Fiesta Cup. Sunday Salvacion misses the 3-point shot. Martin Chandler para sa rebound para sa Pure Foods.
Well, Barangay Ginebra going to the shot.
Richard Yee.
Looking at a 3-point shot. But that has not fallen for them consistently. And Pure Foods is
Ito,
not
si
breaking
Makapagal.
away.
Wala rin.
Well, for the game, Pure Foods connecting on 13 3-point shots.
Ako, nag-uwian na yung mga Barangay Ginebra fans. So,
60%
naglalabasan na.
shooting for Pure Foods. We talk about stepping up. Pure Foods averaging only 40% from the field in this conference, in this game. 60%. Averaging 87 points in offense in this game.
Sabi ni Marky,
115 points.
sabi ni Marky Chandler, o sige, tapos na kayo ha, ako naman. Total, tapos na itong laro. Halos. And Pure Foods will break out of that 3-game losing streak and get a big game, win a big game against Barangay Ginebra
And
that will
Tubit,
suffer 2 straight losses.
that's Tubit's career high now. 30 points. He has eclipsed his 28 points career high.
Peter Jude Simon, sabi ha, teka muna. Ako naman. Oh.
31 points. That's 1 point shy of June Simon career high.
Napo, pati yung last shot yung nakapagal, kinapos. And the Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants pulled this one off against Barangay Ginebra to the tune of 117 to 105. Big win here by Pure Foods despite some anxious moments dito sa fourth quarter. Makahabol halos yung Barangay Ginebra, especially with the crowd behind them. At yan po ating final score. At syempre, habang nanonood kayo ng mga ating bakbakan sa hard court, mag-relax. And picturean po lamang, damo kasalamat sa iyong ng kasangkayan. Good night. See you around.